Hello, my friend, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? It is club time, and oh, it's my favorite time because I get to share with you the newest club set. Now, this one is extremely, amazingly awesome. I literally feel like I'm going to knock your socks off on this one because it is so incredibly versatile, and the add-on sets are kind of amazing if you ask me. Okay, here we go. So it's called Tailgate2stamp, and it's the back end of a truck. And you have a lot of options. To start on this set, the club set, you get two leaves and you get some pumpkins. And then you get the words wishing you loads of birthday wishes, happiness, fun, success, luck, love. And then there's a couple words, hooray, hello, for you, thanks, and happy fall that fit in the cute little license plate spot. So the big words will fit in the main part of the truck, but then the little words will fit in the license plate. And I cannot wait to show you the add-on sets because I went crazy. Now, of course, club members that are in the Die Hard Club are getting the same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match. Now, I just want to let you in on a little secret, my club members. My Stamp and Die Hard Club members are getting a freebie in their shipment this month. I wonder what it's going to be. It's an exciting one. It's brand new. You have never seen it before, and it is free. Why? Because it's my birthday month, and I thought how fun to celebrate by giving you something free. Now, of course, our club members also get the handy dandy postcard with a couple ideas, but never fear, my friends, our online gallery is full of ideas. In fact, once you get your set, you can upload your ideas as well. Now let's jump in and look at the awesome samples that my design team made. They always knock my socks off, and let me tell you, this did not disappoint. Now, you are going to see a sneak peek, or maybe two on this one, but look at how awesome this truck is with those beautiful sunflowers. We have this fun sign over here. I wonder where that came from. And our cute little truck, I absolutely love it. It's kind of like bouncing around on that little road. I love it. Here's another one, wishing you loads of birthday wishes. Hooray! Look at how fun that is. You can open it up, full of joy and laughter. I love it. Here's a fun one, and I'm telling you, I love these sunflowers. Now, they're on an add-on set, but my friend, you're going to love it. Look how cute that is. Wishing you loads of birthday wishes. Happy birthday. I love it. Here's a cute one. Oh, I love this. This is on a stand-up card. Wishing you loads of hooray. Look at that. That's so cute. And you can open this up. Birthday wishes. Oh, yes, if you make two little slits, you can open this up. Wishing you loads of birthday wishes. Isn't that fun? And it says hooray. And guess what, my friends? This is a stand-up as well. I love it. It fits perfect on the square stand-up, by the way. And last but not least, because I have lots more on the next video, look at how gorgeous this is for Christmas. Now, this is also using the Jingle Bell to stamp and the swish card, but look at how gorgeous that is with that fun swish and blessed Christmas on the tree, on the truck. Now, club members can get up extra early and gets yours on their way to you ASAP. If you're not in the club, what are you waiting for? You could be in the Stamp Club for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set sent to you each month for $13.99. Then you get the club discount, 15% off the entire website. Then you get club points. Then you get the freebies like the one you're going to get in this shipment, all my Stamp and Die Hard members. And it's so much fun. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, and just watch that video. The hardest part to decide is going to be which club to join. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.